Dr. Zakir, what is the meaning of Zakat al-Fitra and what are its rulings in Islamic Sharia?
Alhamdulillah, wassalatu wassalam, ala rasulillah wa ala ali wa sahbihi ajmain, amma ba'd. A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim, bismillahir rahmanir rahim, rabbi shrah li sadri wa yassir li amri, wahlul uqdatam min lisani yafqahu qawli. As far as the meaning of the word Zakat al-Fitr is concerned, Zakat, as we discussed earlier, means to purify, it means to clean, and Fitra means the breaking of the fast. The Zakat al-Fitra means purifying charity for the breaking of the fast. And it is an amount of food given to the very poor Muslims or the needy Muslims. It is a fixed amount of food given to the very poor or the needy Muslims. And as far as its ruling is concerned, it is obligatory on the Muslims. It is fard. And it's mentioned in Sahih Bukhari, volume number 2, in the book of Zakat, hadith number 1503. The beloved Prophet Muhammad said that he has enjoined on every Muslim to give 1 sa of dates or barley as Zakat al-Fitr on every Muslim, slave or free, male or female, young or old. So it's fard for every Muslim, male or female, young or old, slave or free. And it's also mentioned in the hadith of Sunan Abu Dawud, volume number 2, in the book of Zakat, hadith number 1618. The beloved Prophet ﷺ made Zakat obligatory for every Muslim. There are very few number of scholars, very small number, hardly any, who say that it was fard before, but it's no longer fard today, based on the hadith of Sunan Nisai, book of Zakat, hadith number 2509, where Qais ibn Sa'd ibn Ubadah, he says that Prophet ﷺ made Zakat al-Fitra obligatory before Zakat was made obligatory. And after Zakat was made obligatory, he did not command us nor forbid us to give Zakat al-Fitr. But we had practiced it. So based on this hadith, a very small number of scholars say that after Zakat became obligatory on the Muslim, Zakat al-Fitra is optional, it's not fard. But this hadith nowhere does it say that's not fard. It's only the saying of one of the Sahaba that Zakat al-Fitra was made fard before Zakat. He doesn't say that after that it was prohibited. The Prophet didn't repeat the commandment, and whenever any act of worship has been made fard, and another act of worship comes which may be more in quantity, that does not mean the previous act of worship has to be stopped unless there is evidence. So based on this, most of the scholars agree that Zakat al-Fitr is fard for everyone, and the reason for both is different. Inshallah, we shall discuss later. So the right ruling is that it is fard on every Muslim.